Hey guys, so this is going to be the last iteration of the series because for weak and close targeting, weak and last targeting, oh my gosh, bro, I can't even remember my series. All you have to do is just copy the code and just invert the uh, the 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 sideways triangle thing. That's actually all you have to do. So we can just quickly do that here. So I create the void weak and another private void last. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just copy this. This is going to be for the weak targeting, and just change from negative infinity to just infinity if it's less than or equal to the range, if it's less than the highest HP. Change this to lowest. Lowest. You know, all you have to do is convert everything. Nothing really hard. Just convert the symbols, convert everything. And we can do the same thing for first. Copy it, paste it to the, less than, or greater than actually, the closest distance. Then we'll set this to negative infinity. So I believe that's all you have to do. Just convert the symbols and that's it. You can collapse all these functions. It look more readable. Don't know what happened here. And now we're going to add onto the case, the switch case, targeting type dot weak, then run the weak method. And same thing for last. Lats. I'm having, my brain is having issues. And yeah, that's actually it. That's all you have to do to make the targeting systems for turrets. That's all you have to do. So to clean up the code, I would separate all of the voids that you created from the update and start. So what I like to do is create regions, and to make a region, all you have to do is create hashtag region and then give it a name. I'm going to call this targeting systems. And to end a region, you do hashtag end region, and you can collapse it now, like that. If we hit play now, we will always go for the strong enemies. Yeah, the strong enemies that are in range, by the way. In range. Go to the first enemies. Go to the weak enemies, which are just the green boys. And go to the enemies that are the furthest from the range. Normally waits until they're null, like when they're killed. Like, it'll just keep going if it's killed. But if you want, you can always run it in every time it attacks. So it's like updating the target. It doesn't stick with one target, wait till it's dead. You could probably set that as a bool in the update or attack method. I'll set in the attack method because it's quite I'd say running loops all the time. Running this per frame is quite expensive. I mean, you loop through an array every frame. That's quite a lot. So just do it every attack. Look for enemies, probably right here after they take damage. So look for enemies. If you want it to update the target, so like maybe let's say this enemy, Strong Boy here, has less health than Average Man because it got damaged a lot. You probably want to update it so this is no longer being targeted, but the one with the highest health is. So now it's going to be Average Man, which has not been damaged much. So wait for them to get into range, and there you go. It's going for like the enemies that have lower health than each other. So what's its target right now? Its target is Strong Boy, and it's this Strong Boy right here that has 20 health, and this has 15, and it's only updating every time it attacks. So once this hits the 15, it's probably going to go for this Strong Boy, or yeah, well, it's going for, how do I explain this? I don't know the order of which one it attacked first. One of these had the most health, or they were all equalized, and as they were all equalized, like they are at their max health, probably went for the Strong Boy first, and once it hit lower than the Average Man, it started targeting the Average Man, and then once that hit lower than the Weakling, killed the Weakling, and then went back to Strong Boy and started going all over the place because it's always damaging the health, making it lower than the other, and so on. Okay, and if we set it, where is it? Where? Okay, if we set it to weak, always goes for the weakest ones. These have been damaged already. Yeah, like 10 HP, 10. Oh, it's gonna be less than all the Strong Boys, basically. Going for all the weak ones. And if we set it to last, it's always gonna go for the one that is furthest away from the end. And this updates every time it attacks, so it really depends. There you go. So that's basically all the targeting systems. Oh jeez. That's basically all the targeting systems. And yeah, that's kind of the end of the series. If you want to see how I did the enemy movement, how to make any wave systems, you can hit me up in the comments. I can teach you guys how to make a sequenced wave system, like how I did in my game, The Final Stand Remastered, and the enemy movement. So yeah, that's kind of all for the whole series, and I'll see you guys in another video. See ya.